Welcome back. Laptop elbow. It's one of the latest maladies to plague a high-tech generation that spends hours every day on computers.
It's very painful. It hurts now. It hurts when I'm sleeping. It'll wake me up in the night.
Lauren Alvarez doesn't go anywhere without her laptop. She uses it at work and at home. She's also one of an increasing number of people experiencing severe elbow pain because of it. Like so many conditions linked to computers and other high-tech devices, it's an overuse injury.
It's technically called a tendinosis that in layman's term I explain as a micro tearing of the tendon.
Doctors like Schroeder of the Bone and Joint Clinic here in Baton Rouge are seeing a lot more cases of tendinosis. Without treatment, the elbow pain can eventually make it next to impossible to use whatever arm is affected. Tonight in Healthline at 10, what doctors are doing to help ease the pain of patients with laptop elbow and what you can do to prevent it.
Now we're going to talk about a potentially disabling condition that a lot of people in our area have learned is called laptop elbow.
As Phil Rainier tells you tonight in a 9 News Extra edition of Healthline, it's a malady directly linked to our new high-tech world.
Lauren Alvarez rarely goes anywhere without her laptop. Like so many people, for her, computers are just a fact of life, at work and at home.
It's very painful.
Now she's paying the price.
I was having trouble like lifting a glass of water, lifting my laptop, holding my purse. It would hurt all up in my elbow and down into my arms.
Hello.
Hey, Dr. Schroeder.
Lauren's being treated for laptop elbow. Similar to other painful conditions linked to high-tech devices in recent years, it's an overuse injury.
Classically, we call it tennis elbow.
Baton Rouge Dr. Schroeder says he's seeing an increasing number of people with the same symptoms Lauren has.
It's technically called a tendinosis that in layman's term I explain as a micro tearing of the tendon.
In Lauren's case, the damage is to the ligament that connects muscle to bone near the elbow. A brace takes some of the stress off the ligament, which eases pain and promotes healing. Stretching exercises help too.
To periodically stretch the wrist, which would involve a position like this and bending the wrist back and then bending your wrist down.
Ergonomic accessories that support the wrist while using a computer and mouse can also help ease the pain and even lower the risk of laptop elbow. Experts say the biggest threat to people with laptop elbow looking for some type of relief is to suffer in silence. Left untreated, tendinosis of the elbow could require surgery. So the next time you have a twinge of pain in your elbow, don't just assume it's your tennis game. The problem could be your laptop. What you do about it could be the deciding factor in just how drastic the treatment you need to fix laptop elbow will be. With Healthline, Phil Rainier, WAFB 9 News.
Just so you know, surgery is always a last resort for easing the pain of elbow tendonitis. And as Phil showed you, there are lots of things, including steroid injections, which he didn't mention, that can be tried before surgery is considered.